I firmly believe that one of the greatest gifts in life is to find your purpose. When I picked up a camera for the first time, I knew this was it. It became an obsession. I don't care what it took. I was willing to work as hard as I had to make this work. The world felt bigger all of a sudden. Through the lens, life became an infinite playground of possibility, adventure, and the unexpected. My camera pushes me to experience places I would never have dreamed of going. An insulating conduit of motivation. I've watched Nikon grow and innovate over the years into smaller, lighter, and more powerful gear. It's allowed me to push my own creative boundaries and grow. That power is in your hands. The question is, what will you do with it?